You mean I can make my house smell like this?
This is the story of you learning how to make your own DIY natural products. Yes, no confusing steps, toxic ingredients, plus you save money. With my invention, the Simply Earth Recipe Box.
It looks easy enough for beginners like me.
And experts alike, this box gives you the key ingredients you need to make your own reed diffusers, aromatherapy inhalers, roll-ons, and more.
I made this baby. You can too.
Warning, with a new theme each month, you'll be mastering natural DIYs in a new way.
So easy, even I can make it.
You'll unlock the power of nature using essential oils and other natural ingredients.
Sounds like natural DIY therapy in a box.
Join a community of over 10,000 natural makers and save money because we cut out the middleman. Making your own natural products doesn't have to be hard. Simply Earth makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3. Pure ingredients delivered straight to your door. Follow simple tutorials and guides.
Experience the joy of making your own DIY natural diffuser recipes.
Easier than peeling a banana.
Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your own DIY recipes in 10 minutes or less.
Don't get stuck in bad vibes. This box will fly off the shelves faster than a shooting star.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
You heard that right. Our essential oils are 100% certified pure, backed up by GCMS tests, and come from amazing farms like these.
Cool beans.
You get free shipping, free big bonus box, hero course, exclusive discounts, recipe box rewards, like-minded community, and VIP access to new products.
I made this and my house smells amazing. You have got to try this.
Grab your box today so you can diffuse the smell of Christmas into your home. In this month's DIY diffuser box, you'll get Simply Earth's Felt Mitten Diffuser,
Put some drops of your favorite essential oils and hang it on your tree.
Aromatherapy Inhaler,
Get a moment of reprieve from the holiday chaos.
and Earth and Wood Diffuser Pack.
It will diffuse the scent throughout your kitchen, your bathroom, wherever your company is going to be visiting. Let's go through the essential oils in this month's box. First, we have pine. So perfect for Christmas. This is not your mama's pine sol. This smells like it just came in from the outdoors. Homewood. Oh, that sure makes breathing easier. Vanilla woods. Makes my kitchen smell like Christmas candy. And finally, frankincense. What says Christmas more than frankincense? Ugh, it smells just delicious. Achieve your DIY goals with Simply Earth's Recipe Box. Subscribe today. Oh God, here comes the mail person. Okay.